It is 9:46 on this Saturday. Time to imagine it, and all three of us are here. Carl Nelson being the third, and this is an extraordinary chance for us to do something extraordinary this morning. Tell us about
Exactly.
it, Carl.
We're going to talk about how sound propagates through different materials.
Okay.
So sound is just vibrations, and sound travels through the air at a certain speed. It travels through this table at a certain speed, through water at a different speed. And we make sound by pressing air through our vocal cords, through our sinus cavity, and we all have a unique voice, right? It all sounds different. And because we're all working with the same gas, which is air. So I thought it'd be interesting to exchange that air that we're normally making our voices with a couple different gases.
Okay.
Now, do have to say right off the bat, this is not something to try at home.
Right. Carl is a trained professional. He knows what he's doing. So again.
And that's, it's great to do on TV, but it's not something you want to do at home. The gases we're using, one is helium, one is sulfur hexafluoride. They're both 99.999 purity gases. So they're very, very clean. And it turns out that the speed of sound in helium is actually about 2.5 times faster than that of regular air. Okay? So Tony, what I want you to try to do is take that balloon.
Okay.
Go ahead and, here, I got my little device here on the bottom to seal it up. So I want you to go ahead and take that.
Okay.
Go ahead and exhale and then inhale a little of that helium gas.
Gotcha.
And,
And again, please do not try this at home.
Hello, everyone. This is how I sound when I'm inhaling helium.
Exactly. So now, go ahead and take a deep breath and flush it out of your
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that didn't help at all.
Oh, stop it.
All right.
Okay. So you're back to normal. All that helium gas is gone. Now that increases the speed of sound coming out of your mouth. Now another gas, the sulfur hexafluoride, is about 6 times heavier than air.
Oh boy.
Tina, go ahead and pick this up. Can you feel how heavy that balloon is?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I
It's
mean, even
definitely
with that weight on the end, it feels a lot different than...
Noticeably heavier.
Yeah.
In fact, I filled up this little aquarium with the sulfur hexafluoride. This has air. I filled it from my mouth. And I'm going to see if we can just place this balloon right inside the aquarium.
Whoa.
And
Wow.
gives you an idea how dense that gas is. Sulfur hexafluoride and maybe a little bit of air on top, but the balloon will not sink. It's filled with air. It's not helium, it's just air. So, Christina, what I want you to try to do is, since you have a naturally higher pitched voice, I want you to take a breath of the sulfur hexafluoride gas, and we'll see how that changes your voice. Now you got to speak.
It's like, oh wow.
Wow, that's odd. Okay,
no.
well, I started...
Do that again. Take a little bit deeper.
Don't
breath.
try this at home.
A little bit more. Okay, now talk.
Okay. Oh, it sounds like one of those voice recorder things.
Oh my gosh, is that weird?
So, keep talking.
That's
Flush it
very
out.
odd. Okay, so I just need to keep talking.
Luke, I'm your father.
Okay,
Keep
I
talking.
get it.
Keep talking. Keep talking. Then flush it out.
Okay, I feel like I'm coming back to normal.
So now you're back to
Gotcha.
normal. Now, the danger in doing this, we should address that, is that these gases don't have oxygen in them. If you were to breathe these gases in repeatedly, you would starve your brain of oxygen and you would then probably pass out. So definitely not something.
So
you
just
wanna
something that we did
try.
as an experiment, but not something that we want people doing at home or anything like that, because it can be really dangerous.
Uh-oh.
Or you can take it right from the container like that, and as you're talking in your voice, you can see my voice gets significantly deeper, all because of the sulfur hexafluoride gas. The speed of sound in sulfur hexafluoride is about 1/2 that of regular air. But you take a deep breath, you can actually start to flush that out.
So hold on, real quick question here. I know we don't have much time left, but you had this inside of here. This has been opened for, what, at least a minute?
The gas is so much heavier. It's 6 times heavier than air that it's actually settling down. That's why the balloon may all be gone. No, there we go.
Wow.
That's why the balloon still floats.
Huh.
It is so heavy that it stays down at the bottom. It's all about the density of the material that sound is traveling through that determines its speed.
Okay. Interesting. Well, Carl Nelson, thanks, man. I'll tell you what, transformed us both today. Who knew?
I know. I wanted you to do something from the Silence of the
Sorry.
Lambs, but that's fine.
Maybe later.
Well, take a look. Here are the hours. If you want to head on down to the Imagination Station, they won't be doing this, but they've got all kinds of other experiments. It's at One Discovery Way, and it is open today. And Mother's Day, you've got some activities?
Duct tape, stuff you can do at home. We're making duct tape creations for
Oh,
Mother's
cool.
Day.
Everyone loves duct tape.
You can do so many cool things with it. Lots of nice science, lots of nice crafty stuff. Come down, check it out. All sorts of cool gifts for Mom that you can make using duct tape.
Awesome. Excellent. Sounds good. Well, we have a local guy who was just drafted in the 2nd round. We're going to take you to sports now.